Nasaan ang mekanismo ng ating gobyerno, lalo na ang mga local government units? Devolve ang government ng Pilipinas. Dapat ibinaba ng National Office ang lahat ng uri ng resources para nang sa ganon, handa sila. May pupuntahan ang mga kagaya namin at may tutugon sa pangangailangan. Dapat, local health providers ang nagbibigay ng mga trainings kasi naiwan sa kanila ang service delivery. Marami pang dapat gawin para masabi natin na natutugunan ang pangangailangan ng mga Filipinos living with HIV and AIDS. Ang ating mga bagong bayani, mga overseas Filipinos workers na lagi na lamang stigmatized at discriminated. Panahon na para tignan ng ating gobyerno ang mga policies na violative at punitive para sa mga OFW. Sana magkaroon ng agreement sa pagitan ng mga bansa. Panahon na din para masinsinang tugunan ang workplace initiative. Narinig nyo naman siguro yung call center agents at HIV. Para sa mga namumuno ng ating bayan, sana palawakin nila lalo ang health program, particularly on HIV and AIDS. And this is for real na talaga, dahil kaharap nyo na kami. We need your help. Magtulungan na lang tayo. Discriminatory laws fuel social judgment and further alienate those already most marginalized in society, including people living with HIV and AIDS. Reforming laws that are based on deeply rooted discriminatory social attitude will result in legislation that is a powerful and a positive tool in the response to AIDS. Good thing to know na meron tayong RA 8504. Effective HIV responses are those that empower individuals and groups to claim their human rights, including the right to education, right to travel abroad, information, liberty, privacy, and health. Responses should be also founded in the principles of non-discrimination and equality. On VCT, or ang tinatawag naming voluntary counseling and testing, effort should be made to encourage people to know their HIV status through access to confidential counseling and testing. In all types HIV testing, the principles of confidentiality and consent should be maintained and counseling should be provided. Such efforts are not only necessary to improve the health of individuals, they are also necessary to achieve universal access to prevention, treatment, care and support, and to mount effective responses against HIV. GIPA, or the greater involvement of people living with HIV and AIDS, is a principle that aims to realize the rights and responsibilities of people living with HIV, including the right to participation in the decision-making processes that affects our lives. People living with HIV are active partners in the universal access movement and are promoting the concept of positive health, dignity, and prevention in a number of ways, including taking the leadership in creating stronger links and increasing collaboration between the health sector and the civil society organization already providing HIV prevention, treatment, and care services. This day, we also celebrate World AIDS Day. As we always said to our partners and to all of you students, that we, people living with HIV and AIDS, are not a problem. We are also part of the solution in the prevention and awareness control of HIV and AIDS in our nation. Sabi nga, spread the love, not the virus. We need pastoral care also, na dapat partner din namin ang simbahan. Harinawa, makarating sa mga kinaukulan ng aking mga sharing. Tugon ang hinahanap namin. Aim high for kalusugang Pinoy. At lagi po natin tatandaan, take it as a challenge. With every right, there is a responsibility. And again, my core message to all of you, mga youth, no, that in their hands, it's a sign of awareness. In your hands, it's a sign of understanding. And in our hands, it's a sign of commitment. Muli, maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Thank you very much, Jericho.